Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Number 5 BLAVOR Solar 10,000 mAh Power Bank.
With over 10 years experience of portable solar power banks, BLAVOR has already gained the favor and trust of over 27 million global users. 5 volts 2.4A output, 50% faster charging speed and zero damage to your devices. Support charging 3 devices simultaneously, multiple charging, recharge methods, freeing your worries of a power outage. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and most smart devices, premium battery and smallest solar charger, BLAVOR uses the safer lithium cobalt battery, which is 50% more cycling times than a normal Li polymer battery. A full charge can recharge the iPhone 8 3.6 times, iPhone 14 Pro 2.2 times, and the iPad Air once. The outer case is made from flame-retardant ABS plus PC materials. The waterproof silicone better protects the internal structure of the charger. Rubber skin feel oil coating process to form a protective film on the surface, comfortable touch, and exquisite. Appearance. BLAVOR portable solar charger is made IPX5 waterproof, dustproof and shockproof. The built-in dual super bright flashlight and the included compass carabiner would further secure your safety during outdoor travels.
Number 4 FosPower 2000 mAh NOAA Portable Power Bank.
FosPower's emergency radio incorporates a 2000 mAh power bank capable of providing emergency power to any small tablet or phone. Use the emergency weather radio's 3 power sources when you need a boost of power or need to recharge the radio. The radio's crank lever and solar panel are both capable of regenerating enough power to keep the radio, lights, and SOS alarm ready to go when you need it most. The emergency crank radio can also provide light. The 4 LED reading light and 1W flashlight provides enough output to keep you and your loved ones out of the dark in an emergency situation. The radio will dependably receive up to the second emergency weather forecasts and emergency news broadcasts from NOAA and AMFM stations. Includes a limited lifetime warranty. Please visit FosPower's website for more information.
Number 3 Emergency Radio 10W Portable 4000 mAh Cell Phone Charge.
His emergency digital radio will automatically search and save AM, FM, NOAA stations for you, so you no longer have to carefully adjust the knobs to find a station. The sound is strong and clear, and the antenna can be extended and rotated. It is the perfect companion for relaxing in the garden or outdoors. With 10W of power, the biggest on the market, you can enjoy your favorite music from your phone and tablet while you're outdoors. The product is covered with a protective layer of TPU rubber on the side, and the non-removable battery inside improves the waterproof performance of the product. This emergency radio is waterproof to IPX5. You can use it in the bathroom, swimming pool, beach, storm, etc. With a built-in 4000 mAh rechargeable lithium polymer battery, it is safer and more environmentally friendly and can be used.
Number 2 CCRadio Solar Wind-Up Portable Emergency Everyday.
Excellent digital portable emergency radio with AM, FM, NOAA weather with weather alert. Remarkable for use every day too. The patented hand crank is folded and inlaid into the back. Audio as a pleasant surprise with a small air-suspended high-excursion speaker tuned for voice clarity. The crank generator output is greater at 400 mA with better magnets. The 3400 mAh lithium-ion battery is easily replaceable and will run the radio 35 to 50 hours depending on settings. There are 5 ways to power it.
Number 1 2023 newest 10,000 mAh emergency hand crank.
When you in emergency, turn it on that it provide the weather important information for you needs. You can get the latest emergency weather news and information for outside, let you no longer lose outside information in dangerous weather. The weather radio have 10,000 mAh power bank, which is super huge emergency power bank. It would never let your phone power off. Easy to carry. The weather radio has a nylon strap for carry. The nylon hand strap is detachable and can be removed if you don't need it. It make the radio as practical and portable.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.